One smoking.
Clear, back and out.
Yeah.
I'm trying to catch them up quick. They're in the car.
It's in. Who's in the car?
People in the car.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, we got to get them out.
Can we bust the window?
This won't even, I don't hear what even freaking work. Yeah, we're going to have to. Get back. Get back. Get back. Hey, guys, get away from this window, okay? Get away from the window. Are you away?
25. He's got on the tree with a power line. If I can get him to that loop,
Guys,
that other tree is going to have power line. If I can spike it.
God help me. Okay, come on. Open that door up. Open that door, Mama. Come on. Climb to me, Mama. Climb to me, Mama. Come on. Come on, baby. 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 Come on out. Come on out. Come on, Mama. We're going to get him out. Come on. It's okay, honey. Get her.
Come on, get up,
Get her.
Sam, get up. Let me have you.
Go.
Come on.
Get him out. Hey, listen.
Go over there with 25 there.
Come on, Mama. Come on. Come on, climb. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Come on. Come on. Yes, you can. Come on, you got to get out. Get him. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, man. You got to get out. Brother, you got to. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on, we got you. Okay. You're out. You're out. You're out.
Gotta get your way.
Come on, we gotta get you away. Come on, man. Come on. Yes, you can. Help me. Somebody help me pull him. Please help me pull him. Please. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Okay.
Where's the nigga got him to be?
It's okay. Back there. Okay, brother. Come on.
You got everybody?
We got them both out. Okay.
Pull a man out. You got the hammer?
Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. All right, you talking to me?
I'm burned.
Okay. I know you are, baby. But you're alive. You're alive. You're alive. Help me get him. Help me get him. Help, can you help me? Come on, Bubba.
Hang on.
Come on, Bubba.
Hang on, we gotta roll him over, Carla. We can't drag him like this. Roll over on your side, brother. Can you come up on your butt? Can you come up on your butt?
Come on. Attaboy. Attaman. Attaboy.
Can you get up? Can you get up?
I got bad knees. I can't get it.
Can anybody?
Drag him.
I tried.
His arm.
Okay. That's what we did. Get him that far away, Bubba. Okay.
Oh, what you got?
Clear, thank you. John Lovelace and John Lovelace and Lord.
Come on, right now. We gotta go. You gotta go under your arm, man. 1, 2, 3.
Where's my female?
Move your car, Carla.
See how many more units we're going to need.
Get out from behind my car, man. Move.
12 clear. Engine running when you show us on the scene. 6891 Fuller Road's clear. No action. Clear. Stop out there.
Right, for a minute.
I'll trap it.
I'd have lost my keys. Hey, sir, you got to get out of here.
I'm sorry.
I know, but you got to.
Come on, 911. Forrester, come in.
You better go now. Come on, baby girl. Okay. Come on. Come on, baby. We got him out.
I'm burned.
Okay.
About
Go right over there with her.
Come here, love. Let's see who we're about. It happened so fast. Sir, what vehicle are you in? What vehicle are you in? Please get back in here. Please. Please don't come out here.
Got him away from the fire. He's laying on his back on the side of the road.
Come here, little one. Come here, little one. Come here, baby.
It's going to be a two-vehicle accident.
We're going to lift you up here. Come here, baby.
I've got a truck.
Come here, baby.
A camper.
Come here, baby, baby. Hi, baby, baby.
Come this way.
Come here. I've got another female now. She's got head injuries. She's bleeding from the top of her head and her leg.
Okay, I got you.
It's okay, baby, baby.
It's all right. Sit right there.
Okay, will this one let us pick him up? There you trying, aren't you, baby? There you go. There you go. Thank you. Okay.
I've got this whole intersection shut down right now. Clear.
I don't even know. I lost my keys. I had to bash both windows out, Gabe. Keep him talking. Is he talking to you? All right. You keep talking.
Off the roadway. Pulling up.
Come on, Ram.
Traffic fires on scene. Clear traffic. Come in on the service. We got over. C12, you can just call it. Be easier for me to get you on this hot blocking radio traffic.
I was trying to talk to him.
It's okay. You go up there with her. Be up there with her.
Her in the west.
I'll be coming from the Knott Road and anything over this way.
Okay. So I know he got burned. We busted out both windows. We got his wife out first. He was the last one, and he was hard to get out. We couldn't get either door open. Okay? So, he is
I've already got some of your
burned. Okay. Do you have any medical history this man needs to know about?
I got artificial knees,
Artificial
hip,
Artificial hip?
artificial shoulder,
All right.
and I got right here hurting like hell, and it's
I'm sure.
9 inches of steel down through it.
All right. 9 inches of steel down through it. All right.
You have any neck pain, head pain out?
We had to take him out and down. It probably wouldn't be a bad idea.
Right.
Okay?